Hi and welcome to Normoy's channel. Today I will teach you how to link your GCash card to your GCash account. But first click the CC icon in YouTube player below. CC stands for closed caption. It will translate audio into text. Let us now open the envelope. I blurred out for this tutorial for security purposes. I will teach you on where you will input those numbers. Go to your smartphone. Press on your GCash app. Input your PIN. Once you've logged into your account, press the cards in their services. Wait for it to load. In the GCash card interface, you will need to scroll down and choose Link My Card. GCash will send an authentication code to your phone. Enter the 6-digit code once received, and press Submit. This is the part where we will input the numbers at the back of the GCash card. The last 4 digits of the card, and virtual account number. It is a 12-digit code. We now input the last 4 digits of the card. It is located in this area. Next, enter the 12-digit code found at the back of the card. Below virtual account number. Once you're done filling up the necessary information, press Next. Wait for it to process. It will load to a new interface. It will now state that your GCash card is now linked. You will now need to create a new PIN. It states here that your card PIN is specifically for your GCash card and is different from your PIN your GCash account. And for your safety, do not share this with anyone. It also states to avoid weak card PINs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the like. GCash will also send a notification for every process. We will now input our strongest 6-digit PIN. Confirm that strongest 6-digit PIN, just input it back again. Once you are done, press Next and wait for it to process. The next interface will tell you that your GCash card is now linked. Congratulations! It then states that the GCash card can now be used in all stores and ATM machines worldwide. GCash will also send a message to your phone for the successful process. You will now then press OK. A new interface will show stating that it failed to open this page. Just ignore this error and press Close. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.